So since India faced three wars after, almost immediately after it gained independence in 1962, in 1965, and then in 1971, so our foreign policy also tilted towards, or we can say, we moved on with our foreign policy to make it even more stronger for our whole national interest. So we moved towards nuclear policy, to be nuclear. So another crucial development of this period was the first nuclear explosion undertaken by India in May 1974. Okay, Nehru had always put his faith in science and technology for rapidly building a modern India. So Nehru was always of the view that in order to be stronger, we need to have good science and technology, so that we can rapidly build India into a modern India. A significant component of his industrialization plan was a nuclear program initiated in the late 1940s under the guidance of Homi J. Bhabha. Okay, so he was always, he wanted to conduct this nuclear programs, and जिसके लिए नेहरू was always doing a pre-planning, and जो उनका industrial plan भी था, which was more of second 5-year plan, which was, for which they were actually having a discussion itself in 1940s with Homi J. Bhabha. India wanted to generate atomic energy for peaceful purpose. Nehru was against nuclear weapons, so he pleaded with the superpowers for comprehensive nuclear disarmament. However, the nuclear arsenal kept rising when Communist China conducted nuclear tests in October 1964. So you can actually say our immediate neighbor China, who had already conducted nuclear weapon in 1964, we were still a little late. We conducted in around almost after a decade, that is 1974. The 5 nuclear weapon powers, the US, USSR, United Kingdom, France and China. Taiwan then represented China. Also, the 5 permanent members of the UN Security Council tried to impose the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, NPT, of 1968 to the rest of the world. Now, the major permanent members of UN at that time, okay, and also these members were the ones who were actually having nuclear power. So they played very smart. They had nuclear powers, and then they were making other countries sign this treaty of Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty in 1968. So they wanted, जो rest of the world है वहाँ पर, if countries or the nations will sign this treaty, so they will not make nuclear treaty. Now you need to understand, if China is having nuclear weapons, if India is there, India is not having nuclear weapon, China can always suppress India, because India will always be in a threat that China can have a nuclear fight with us, and we will be left with nothing to do with. And China was also a partner with had close relations with Pakistan, so it was quite obvious that after a while Pakistan will also get nuclear weapons. So that is why these permanent members of UN Security Council, US, USSR, UK, France and China, they did not wanted that अब हमारे पास तो आ गए हैं, अब किसी और नेशन के पास न्यूक्लियर वेपन ना आए, and for that they were making NPT, that is Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, which India was not in favor of. India always considered the NPT as a discriminatory and had refused to sign it. So India did not sign NPT, and India always felt that this is a kind of discrimination. When India conducted its first nuclear test, it was termed as a peaceful explosion. India argued that it was committed to the policy of using nuclear power only for peaceful purposes. So India said that we are not doing this for any kind of war or something, we are just doing it to peacefully test it and in order to maintain peace.